Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to day 24 of the Advent Calendar in a Book Escape Room. Merry Christmas, or Merry Christmas Eve, anyway. Let's go down to the bench and read the final chapter, and then get on with the final puzzle. Leon, phone in hand, hesitated for a moment, then pressed his thumb to his sister's name. Each dial tone echoed in the silence of the wagon like a drop falling into a deep well. No answer. After a few seconds, Amy's familiar voice, a little weary, a little cold, spoke. Leave a message after the beep. Then he spoke, at first in a slightly trembling voice, then a firmer, clearer. It's me. I've thought about it, and I've changed my mind. I'll come. Not a package, not a card, no, me, in the flesh. I can't wait, really. He hesitated, then dropped the last barriers. You know, I think I was afraid of disturbing, of not knowing how to behave anymore. Afraid of the time that would pass, but it would be worse to no longer share anything at all. I don't want us to become strangers. I want to see the children, to laugh with them, to hear you grumble, to smell the scent of the pine in your living room. I'll come more often, if you don't mind. I don't want to become someone who's absent. He hung up, and suddenly the silence seemed heavier. A shadow of doubt crept into him, sneaky, subtle. Why didn't she pick up? Her morning text was short. What if she really resented me? What if, after all, it was too late? What if the distance had created a real void? He stood there, frozen, phone in hand, staring into the flickering light of a bare bulb hanging from the ceiling. Then, with a brief, almost brutal jolt, the device vibrated between his fingers. He picked it up abruptly. Leon? It was her voice, real, alive, filled with a smile that you could guess was on the verge of tears. I listened to your message. I'm so happy. Are you really coming? The children will jump for joy, and me too. I'm happy. Do you hear me? He closed his eyes for a moment, as if to hold back the voice, to engrave it within himself. A long sigh escaped his lips, light like a release. Outside, night was falling on the frozen streets. Through the hazy window of the wagon, a few scattered snowflakes could be seen dancing in the glow of a street lamp. And in this wagon, lost on the edge of the world, Leon smiled, grateful to have lived these adventures and to have walked these checkered tiles in search of a gift, with his heart this light that he thought he had lost. The shop seems to be in disarray. That checkerboard pattern on the floor should tell you something. The adventure isn't over yet. Right, so we've got one more puzzle to do. There you go. He obviously makes it into the family thing. Right, let's see what we have to do on the puzzle. We have to click on the 5 pieces in the right order. White rook, black pawn, white knight, white queen, and black king. Sequence selectionnaire. Right, okay, let's have another look at the puzzle. We've got... Right, well, this is going to be the sequence that we did. Although I don't know... 4, 6, 8. That's a chessboard size across, and indeed 2, 4, 6, 8 all the way across there. So we've got... It doesn't matter. The chicken hut... Goblet. What have we got? 5 things to do. There's another hut with present on it, but that's not a normal starting position. Got a vine on there. That's a rook, but the rook wasn't a thing. Oh, white rook. We got a white rook there. That would be a knight, white knight over this side. But the other setup pieces wouldn't be there. So how do you know what piece is meant to be what? I'm gonna have to go and figure out from the things again. It's another one that's not really similar chessboard at Devon's family. All right, okay, so we got to go back. The pieces were obviously on a place. I can't remember what day that was. Puzzles should be... I mean, I like the whole everything joining up. But, I mean, that's the... There we go. Yeah, so we've got the puzzle pieces on. I was right about the rook and the knight. But again, how do you know what order they're going to be in? Objects on the ground seem linked to Leon's adventures that might help you find an order in which to activate the chess pieces. Okay, so you're going to have to see what the first thing we did. I can't remember what we did in which order. So, knight, king, pawn, queen, rook. Knight, king, pawn, queen, rook. Knight, pawn, king, queen, rook. I think I did that in the wrong order, didn't I? Yeah, I did that wrong. I just read it and then got it completely wrong. Knight, king, pawn, queen, rook. Knight, king, pawn, queen, rook. Well done. It says, you have solved all the puzzles. Leon will be able to enjoy Christmas with his family. Merry Christmas to him. And above all, Merry Christmas to you. So there's only 2 in the entire sequence that the answers wouldn't be accepted, but some that it wouldn't accept because it's, me. But there we go. That is that. That is the adventure escape room mysteries of Christmas puzzle. And that is it for the year. That's the last puzzle to do. So thank you all for joining me on this ups and downs escape room puzzle in a book thing. I don't think I'll bother doing this one next year, but leave a comment. Let me know what you think. But above all, have yourselves a very Merry Christmas. Happy holidays to everybody that doesn't celebrate Christmas. I'm sure you get some time off anyway. So thank you all for that. Join me for more model making and puzzles and games in the new year. So have a good one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.